Hey everyone, while I was making the other video, something occurred to me that I wanted to share just in case you don't necessarily know. Um, LXI, or this software in particular, is preloaded with these colors for your substrate and for your text, your solid fill or your outline. Um, but you can also create custom colors, and they're fairly easy to use once you actually make them. So once you go up here to the menu bar and you've got your color mixer, just click on that and you can see the preview of the color right here. If you just start playing with your sliders on your color, if you've already got a color that you know from another software that you like, and you can just get the RGB color profile, then you can move it into here. I think it's also got CMYK, Lab Spot, HSV, and Duotone. But RGB is simple enough for most everything that we do. So we've created some custom colors before doing work on shirts, and the colors, or the default colors, just don't quite work right. So we've had to make some custom colors, if you will. But it's simple enough. You can just get the color pretty close to where you want it, and then actually you can click on the preview box and actually drag it into your design and make that be your substrate color. It disappears from your list. It doesn't show up in here because these are only saved colors. So once it's on here, if you don't actually save it, then it's gone forever. We'll just remember 0, 154, 158. If we come out of here and click black, then our color is nowhere to be found. So we'll have to recreate that one. So it's still up here. Click and drag it back onto our substrate. But if you do want to save a color, just go up here to the magnifying glass with the little paint drop in. It says color specs. Click on that, and then under your color, if you just go down here and click new, and you can change this one to we'll just say dark teal. There's already a teal, and we created this light teal for another shirt, but this dark teal kind of resembles a different color shirts that we use. So now, since we've just got our RGB profile right here, we can just type that in and click OK. So now we've got our dark teal color saved in our list. It'll actually show up kind of down at the bottom underneath the contours and before you get to your gradients. So now we can actually play around. If we try one color, then we can go back to our previous color and it's actually still there. So I just wanted to share that information with you in case that was something that you hadn't quite found yet, but were needing, and because the default colors didn't suit your project. So that was a quick tip. Like, comment, subscribe. If you want to see anything else specific, just ask below and I'll try to get what I can. And hopefully, I'm pretty busy right now with real work, but maybe I can get some more videos out in the next couple of weeks with some more tutorials. But like I said, if there's anything specific that you want to see, just let me know and I'll see what I can do. Thank you.